The Silkland 8K certified HDMI 2.1 E-Braided cable is hands down one of the most impressive HDMI cables I've used. Unlike the majority of cables on the market, this one proudly carries the official HDMI 2.1 ultra high-speed certification, a distinction earned by only about 1% of HDMI cables. The authenticity can be quickly verified with the HDMI QR code scanner, giving complete confidence in its quality and performance. From the moment you hold it, the craftsmanship stands out. The aluminum alloy housing paired with a durable nylon braided jacket not only looks premium, but also ensures long-lasting durability. Inside, the 8X tin copper core and gold-plated connectors provide superb conductivity while resisting oxidation. Combined with excellent shielding against interference, this cable is engineered for stability and signal integrity. In summary, the Silkland 8K certified HDMI 2.1 E-Braided cable is not just another HDMI cable. It's a future-proof investment in both performance and durability. Whether you're a serious gamer or a home theater enthusiast, this cable will exceed expectations.